Gilbert Lewis. This guy. He's an American chemist born in 1875 and apparently died of a heart attack in 1946, but yeah. Now one day, he asked questions like every philosophy teacher said. Sir Clark, the rapper. He asked himself in 1916, what if there's a way to represent a valence electron? The Lewis dot structure. Or Lewis structure for now it's composed of what you might think, dots, but also the symbol of the element. Here's an example of oxygen. This is oxygen. Now it's composed of dots. The dots represent the valence electrons you have here. And the inside, well, obviously, is the symbol for oxygen, which is O. Now, what is a valence electron? A valence electron, well, if we have a atom here, you can see it's still oxygen because, well, I like breathing, apparently. Now, this is a valence electron right here. It's the electrons have the outermost shell. It can go up to 8. Now, 8 is a very significant number. Why? It's called the octet rule. The inside is the core electron, which is just composed of 2. It is the innermost part of the shell, which is not involved in chemical bonding. Well, maybe except for hydrogen and helium. But what if they were to join? Or what if they would combine? Well, let's look at an example here. We have oxygen gas. Now, we have just oxygen 1, so let's add another. Now, if they fuse, since they have 7 or 6 valence electron, they would fuse. They need 8. And how do we get 8? They share their electrons. So if they join here, you can see that in the inside, they join. Now, 1 bar is equal to 2 dots. Get that in a second. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Only 7. So we have 2 here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we still don't have enough to satisfy the octet rule. So let's do another. That doesn't look right. So yeah, that looks good. So this is the final product. This is how we illustrate oxygen gas. Oxygen gas. Now let's look at another example right here. Let's put methane, CH4. Now it has 1 carbon and 4 hydrogen. Now, so we have carbon here. It has 6 electrons. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 4 outer shells. We have 4 valence electron. Now to satisfy, we have hydrogen. We have 4 hydrogen now. Hydrogen only has 1. So we have 4 here for oxygen because of the subscript. So if they join here, they would satisfy the octet rule because they have 2, 4, 6, and 8. Because again, 1 bar is equal to 2 dots. So it would look something like... Now we have 1 oxygen here. Oxygen is composed of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we have 1, 2 hydrogen because of the subscript, which only has 1. So it would join into 1. 2 because you have 6, 7, 8. So we have 1, 2 here, which has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 valent electrons, and we have sodium, which has only 1. So obviously 7 plus 1 equals to 8, which follows the octet rule, which would look something like 2, 4, 6, 8, which is table salt. Very salty.